What's up, guys? Welcome back. Are we enjoying Solo Leveling Season 2? I am. Episode 8 was class. It was really good. That big fight. Well animated. It's great. Simple story. Most viewed anime of 2025. So, let's draw Sun. Looking like intense with like Shadow Monarch power sort of coming off him. Close up of his face. So center point of my page here. We'll go up over to the right to start with his big anime eye. So we'll start here. We'll just go diagonal. And of course these lines will be quite thick, but we'll just go across the top like that, right? And then Solo Leveling has, sorry, just fix that. Solo Leveling has a little hook that comes down this side of his eye, right? It's like a little spike that goes back up. And then there is a thin bottom eyelid line down here. Okay. So that's the general shape for his eye. So we'll thicken up this, right? So there's like a little spike here at the front. Right, and then the eyelid line comes across here. Again, it's fairly thick and heavy now. It's quite dark. And it comes out to the little spike back here and then down. Okay, very spiky eyes. So he's got this intense glowing blue eye look, right? So his iris is fairly wide. So we'll go just like a circle as best we can. There. And then like they do this intense dot in the middle. So he's looking real intense. That's like blue glowing sort of eye, okay? So we have like an eyelid line just above that. And then an eyebrow. A little bit above that one. So everything is like quite thin and sharp, you know. So we can see his eyebrow kind of like there's a bit of a colored area. And it gets thinner as we go back. It's colored sort of the same color as his hair. You could color it black if you wanted, but I'll do it like that dark gray for his hair. Like really dark gray, nearly black. So, other eye over the other side. So again, you just spike. And it's not eye width, right? Because the eyes in Solo Leveling are like out of proportion. They're very big eyes, basically, right? So it's probably like 3/4 of his eye would be your distance, maybe like from here to nearly the end of the eye. Just like not a full eye because they're too big. And then we just go over the top again. We do that little spike down here. And then the thin bottom eyelid line there. And then we start thickening up all these sort of eyelid lines. There's a little spike sticking out here as well. Right, and that's just dark. Right, and then intense eye. It's just a circle with a dot in the middle. So it's kind of looking a bit crazy. So eyelid line on top. Boom. And eyebrow again. Back that way. And then a bit that we can color. Okay, so for his nose, they just do this double line sort of thing, right? So like that. They don't give him nostrils. I tried to give Sun Jinwoo nostrils before, and it looked strange. Right, so mouth, he's open mouth talking, right? But if you wanted to just do this one line, you know, that would work as well with the mouth closed. So I'll leave that up to you. You can leave it like that if you want. But his mouth is open in the picture I'm drawing from. Like so. So he's like talking to the guy. And then his teeth. Come along like that. And then he has a real sharp chin. Like so. Bum, 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 bum. Now, like the space between his eyes is bigger than this because we're kind of looking, he's looking up, we're looking like down at him. So there's a bit of perspective going on. So this area is like eyebrows to nose is like bigger than the bottom of the nose to the chin. It's close. Like you could go probably his pupil, nose, bottom of the nose, say vertically, right? The space is probably about the same as bottom of the nose to nearly his chin. So like that and that is about the same as that and that. And then here to maybe his teeth would be about the same as teeth to chin. For anyone who cares about proportions. So his jaw then goes that away. Then the other side goes that away. And it's kind of a gradual curve in this picture. So in an anime like Dragon Ball, it kind of like goes sharp, you know. But like this one, it's a gradual sort of curve, kind of like a wine glass sort of shape, you know. Up to there, kind of. Do. Oh, and his bottom lip line, forgot that. Okay, so he's got lots of fringe, and then his ears. So just hair spikes. Starting there. And it's like a mixture of thick and thin, and it goes over his, you know, most of his forehead and his eyes and everything. But it's one of these animes where they keep the lines underneath visible. They don't erase. So if you wanted to stay true to the solo leveling sort of style, you could leave those. And this kind of, he's got like part in his hair over this eye. This is like just hair texture. And then another spike going this way. I'm probably doing them a bit longer actually, but that's okay. And there's some that come across his nose. Anime hair can be tricky, so take your time. I'm kind of using my wrist, the natural way my wrist wants to go, you know, to sort of do them. And then he has a little one that comes across that one. It's like just an alternate shape. You know, and then this line kind of keeps going. And there's another one under there. Bum, 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 bum. So that's his fringe, and then his ears come out here. Now your ears usually, because he's like looking forward, his ears pretty much line up with the eyebrow on top, and then like the tip of his nose on the bottom there. It's like in this space, right? So say just with the eyebrow, and then the nose there. It's just come down this way. And then some ear lines inside. Rightio. Next, finish the hair up to the top of the head. So there's like a hair spike there, underneath. And I think it goes that way, and then another hair spike, and then up. I think it just goes up and around. Okay, so he's got that big fireproof jacket. It looks like a black t-shirt underneath that. So let's get the collar for that in of his black shirt. It's like a polo neck or something. And then his neckline kind of comes down from there, and the t-shirt goes around. You got neck muscles. It's all real dark in here, but if I was to imagine how that would go, probably be just a fold line, and then his trapezius at the back. And then we have the collar of the fire jacket, so like the heat resistant jacket, coming around that way and down. And then it goes out the back of his head and back around, so it joins up there. And this has like a collar and everything, so there's like inside lines kind of folding, then double sort of edge lines to it. Right, this collar has all extra little bumping lines coming down and down to there. Right, and then stay going. Do it on the other side. Like so. And then his shoulder just goes off the page this way. And he has lapels, so little straps just on it. like so. And we'll do some Shadow Monarch. It's like, I'll do it kind of, they use like a visual effect with ink splatters and all, so we'll do sort of something like this, maybe just. Okay, and that's like black with like purple aura sort of, or smoke around it. There he is, Jinwoo from season 2 episode 8. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.